Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create refined subject masks using Mask Overlay. Start with a rough subject selection and open Select and Mask. Activate Mask Overlay to clearly define masked regions. Use the brush tool to refine edges, focusing on areas like shoulders, clothing folds, and outlines. Reduce brush hardness for smoother transitions. Zoom in and clean small imperfections for better refinement. Adjust smoothing and feathering slightly to remove jagged edges without losing detail. Preview the mask on different backgrounds to test realism. Output